Hi there, it's Kurt with Kurt Tanner Motor Cars. This is our 1976 Triumph Tr6 Convertible. British Racing green, tan interior, black top, tan top boot, 4-speed, disc wheels with REDLINE tires, luggage rack. Really nice example here, final year. We believe this car has got its original 61,000 miles showing on the speedometer, although it's had some cosmetic restoration work. But really lovely, just turnkey, on the button, needs nothing. We've been through this car and done a lot of maintenance and some light cosmetics, so it's just absolutely dialed in, ready to go. Great mechanicals, idle's nice. Let's take a walk around here. So really good chrome overall. You can see the chrome work. Front bumper's gorgeous. Very, very good paint. Excellent brand new tires on the restored wheel set. Nice gaps. Just really good paint all the way around. We've got a few smudge marks here that our detailer's gonna buff out next time he's here, but they're going away. But yeah, excellent bumpers, lovely bright work, factory original stainless luggage rack. You can see the quality of this paint work is just really, really nice all the way around. So we purchased this car recently. It came in, we did a lot of knickknacks to it to really make it the best it can be here. So yeah, nice windshield, lovely windshield rubber with lock-up strip. Let's move to the interior. Beautiful dashboard, no cracks. It's fitted with a period NARDI steering wheel. That's probably worth at least $1,000, $1,500 right there. Reupholstered seats in beautiful condition. Really nice carpets. Really nice dash. Door panels are great. This is the original top boot. We fitted a brand new black soft top, which you can see in the photos. So, so quite the nice interior here. Kind of those tan pumpkin colored door panels. Really good panel fit. Doors just click shut nicely. In the trunk here, all the original jack and handle. You can see it's got the original trunk fitting kit with the original carpet mat. But yeah, just a lovely all-round car. Let's take a look at this car's engine compartment. We just did a tune-up on it. We did a new coolant hose set. So as you can see in here, just beautifully detailed throughout. Body colored painted engine compartment. Everything's nicely detailed. Lovely painted engine block. We did a bunch of vacuum hoses. So we've got this thing dialed in. Out on the road, it just drives wonderfully well. Super good compression. Good oil pressure, no smoke, no noises, shifts great. Clutch, brakes, suspension, steering, everything's just ready to go for spring. So yeah, there you have it. Very, very attractive final year 1976 Triumph Tr6 Convertible, finished in this handsome British Racing green, biscuit or tan interior, black top, tan top boot, 4-speed disc wheels. Let's do a little close-up on those tires. Yeah, beautiful set of REDLINE wheels and tires. Factory stainless luggage rack. Believed 61,000 original miles. Excellent undercarriage, no rust. And it's here for sale right now on our website, just in time for spring, summer. www.kurttannermotorcars.com.